Okay, so everyone, in this video I will show you how you can remove the entire side mirror assembly off. Okay, now in order for us to do that, we need to remove the door panel as well. Now I need to do that because, as you can see, I need to fix this crack. You see that? Now if you're wondering how to remove the side mirror as well as the front cover, just refer to this video. Okay, so like I've said, before we can remove the side mirror assembly, we need to remove this door panel. Okay, so let's first unscrew this one here and also remove this screw here. Okay, now we can already partially remove this control panel for the window, power windows. Okay, just like that. Don't force it, there are still two tabs here. Okay, now before we can remove the door panel, let's pull this one off first. Okay, just pull it off. It's easy. Two locking tabs, one here and one there. Okay, here and there. We can now pull the door panel out. Start at the bottom. Okay, now it might take some force to do so, but it's okay. There, here. Okay, hold on, I'm sorry. Okay, and then work your way up. Okay, then lift this up. Now it's difficult to do this with one hand. Okay, so I'm sorry about the camera movement. Okay, now we can remove this door panel. Okay, I'll show you. Two locking tabs there, you see that? One here, one here. Okay, so I'll push that out, and there it is. Okay, now one last thing is we need to remove the wiring harness. So in order to make it easier to pull this wiring harness out, get yourself a flathead screwdriver, press here, that is going to unlock it, wedge the screwdriver and then twist it up. See, then you can pull that up, pulling the entire wiring harness off. You can remove the door panel. So now we can remove the side mirror assembly, held on by 3 nuts, one here, and one here. And the only reason why we needed to remove the door panel assembly is because we need to have access to this wiring harness for the side mirror. Unlock it here, push here, okay, and then pull it out. Now if you ask me, if only they place this wiring harness somewhere here or maybe here, then we need not take out the entire door panel and we only need to take this one out. But anyway, c'est la vie, that is how they designed it. So let's first remove this small speaker, then 10 mm, start here, one down, remove this as well, and hold on, hold here so that it won't fall off. Okay, okay. Now we can pull this one out. See, very easy. So that is how you remove your side mirror assembly. There it is, the crack has been fixed. Now if you want to know how I did that, just watch this video. Okay, now it's time to install this back on the vehicle, but before we do, might as well do a little bit of cleaning first. Okay, this one, and I need to glue this back on there. So I will now mount the side mirror assembly back in place. Okay, now just screw this nut temporarily. So before I put everything back in place, I will first connect this wiring harness and then check to see if I got the wirings connect. Down, let's try left, let's try right, let's try up, and it's working as it should. Now that we're sure, we can now install everything back in place. Mount the speaker back on. Now we can install this panel back. Just make sure that these tabs, rivets, fasteners, clips, whatever you want to call it, are going to line up on these holes, okay? Now if you happen to break one of these, don't worry, they're very easy to find and very cheap. I bought this set for only 220 pesos, okay? And including this prying bar or prying tool, very cheap. Now when installing this door panel back, start at the top, pull the wiring harness for the power windows, okay? Line that up here, okay? And then make sure before you push the panel in that the tabs or fasteners are lined up with those holes. See that? Okay? Now just try to push them one by one. Okay. Tap all around. Make sure that all those tabs got in. So let's install the wiring harness back. Make sure that this is all the way pulled back. Hold on the wire. Push it in, then push this in to lock that in place. Very easy. Fasten the control panel back on the door panel, okay? Just be careful. Push that in, and that's that. Of course, don't forget to put the screws back in, one here and one here. Turn on the key switch and make sure if the power windows are working, and it is. Lock. Okay. So time to push this back in. Like I've said, one locking tab here and one here. Line that up, push, and push here. And that's just that. Okay, so everything's back in place, everything's back in order, everything's working properly. So that is how you remove your side mirror assembly as well as your door panel. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this helpful and informative. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe if you want to, only if you want to, and as always, thank you for watching.